Do you want to speak English confidently and correctly? Then you must master the 5 forms of verbs V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. In this video, you will learn important daily use English regular verbs with all their forms. Let's get started. V1 is the base form. V2 is the past tense. V3 is the past participle. V4 is the ing form. V5 is the as or es form used with he, she and it. Now let's practice. V1 base form. V2 past form. V3 past participle form. V4 adding ing. V5 adding as or es. Cancel, cancelled, cancelled, cancelling, cancels. Change, changed, changed, changing, changes. Check, checked, checked, checking, checks. Clean, cleaned, cleaned, cleaning, cleans. Close, closed, closed, closing, closes. Cook, cooked, cooked, cooking, cooks. Create, created, created, creating, creates. Cry, cried, cried, crying, cries. Dance, danced, danced, dancing, dances. Decide, decided, decided, deciding, decides. Die, died, died, dying, dies. Drag, dragged, dragged, dragging, drags. Dream, dreamt, dreamt, dreaming, dreams. Drop, dropped, dropped, dropping, drops. Dry, dried, dried, drying, dries. Eliminate, eliminated, eliminated, eliminating, eliminates. End, ended, ended, ending, ends. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed, enjoying, enjoys. Enter, entered, entered, entering, enters. Escape, escaped, escaped, escaping, escapes. Examine, examined, examined, examining, examines. Excite, excited, excited, exciting, excites. Excuse, excused, excused, excusing, excuses. Exercise, exercised, exercised, exercising, exercises. Exist, existed, existed, existing, exists. Explain, explained, explained, explaining, explains. Practice these verbs for daily to improve your English speaking skills and grammar accuracy. The more you repeat and use these verbs in sentences, the more confident and fluent you will become. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily use English lessons, verb forms practice and spoken English tips. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep growing.